That's a 1-2 pounder. Oh gosh. Big one? Whew. Yeah. Bigger than the other one?
Same side. This one's too big. He's fighting on him, well, that's for sure. I'm gonna knock him out.
Oh yeah. That guy's like a... Hold him.
Yeah. There's a big boy.
Yeah, I bet you that's almost 4 pounds.
You think so?
Yeah. Well, maybe not right now, because if they're on their nests, because when they're on their nest, Dad, they lose so much weight. Come here, buddy. I can't even get a hold of you now, can you? Shoot. Come here.
There's a big one right here.
There he goes. Oh gosh, foot stuck. So Dad, look at what I did. Dad.
Yeah, mine's shortened up a little bit too. It's too long to just put the tail on.
Mm-hmm. That's what's happening, I think. Right there.
I thought you were gonna ram me in that thing.
Gosh, I see one right there. Got one.
There you go, buddy.
Did you see that? That one's a 1 pounder. Maybe 1.5. Nice one. I love when their like gills pop out, like get that good gilly pick. Picture. Show that one to Kellen. You know, I never took a picture of yours. Oh, where did my lure go? Just rip off the lure. Got one? Ain't so weedless after all, is it? Or I mean woodless. Take a flat.
How the hell am I gonna get that out without killing myself? Shit. don't know. There's some rock right there. I guess.
Don't worry, Dad. You're on video right here. Going straight to YouTube.
Oh, I got it
And
now.
then every second of it is going to be on YouTube.
Nah, see? Moving around back there. You know, you put something little on for these sunnies, eh?
Oh, I got one watching. Yeah. Oh, this one's fighting, but it's about the same size. Whew, she's really fighting. Oh boy. You're fighting. Oh, maybe it is a little bigger. Oh yeah, that's a 2-pounder on a good day. Kinda sorry for eating you into the weeds, buddy. Pops right out. Let's get a dandy. Right there. Get a release on him. Nice one.